If you've been keeping up to date with our Altenew YouTube channel, then you are sure to be familiar with one of our most popular video series, Creative Colouring with Erum. In each episode, Erum inspires us with her amazing colouring skills. 4 times a month, she shows us how we too can create amazing works of art. Altenew crafters have loved learning her unique tips and techniques to work on their own colouring skills. As of now, we have compiled the top 5 fan favourite videos from Creative Colouring with Erum. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 5. Easy Artist Marker Colouring and Heat Embossing Tutorial. In this video, the amazing Erum shows us how we can add beautiful touches to our embossed images. Just watch how she colours these beautiful images really quickly and easily, and you can do it too. Number 4. No-line watercolour on wallpaper art. In this video, Erum shows us how you too can create this beautiful watercolour cluster using the watercolours from Altenew and also the wallpaper art stamp set. Number 3. Shading with alcohol markers. Join Erum in this video as she shows you how you can create beautiful, stunning shading effects with alcohol markers. We just love how she can create this beautiful depth and shade on the floral images using artist markers. Number 2. Relaxing Watercolour Tutorial. Join Erum in this video and relax and unwind while watching her watercolour these beautiful images. She shows you how you can create this beautiful stippled effect on the flowers and also the background too. Number 1. No-line watercolouring with floral art stamp set. In this much loved video, Erum shows us how we can create this beautiful one-layer card. She shows us how we can use our watercolours to create stunning watercolour effects just like she does. Thank you, Erum, for inspiring us and sharing your amazing colouring skills with us too. We can't wait to see your new videos every Monday.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!